Hi everyone. Today we're going to attempt to do a spiral pour in a square mold. This is a beautiful mold I got from Julie, and I just want to do a practice run on this one, see how we go. Let's get started. So I've got 30 mils white, 35 mils for the clear, 30 mils black, and 30 mils red and magenta mixed. So put these to a side. We'll get the clear in. We'll cover the bottom, not too much. I hope this comes out a stunner. I've done so many. So we'll go with the black first. And we'll just do the spirals. So I'm going to keep it in the square look. See what we can get. That's the black. Now we'll go with the red. I wonder if I should go with the red. Okay. And then we'll go with the white. That's the white. And then when we do the clear push, and then we put our stones. What color stones should I put? maybe a mixture. Just put a tiny bit. Maybe a darker tinge. I always forget to mix my stones. Okay. And now we wait. All right. I'll come back in an hour. Okay, the exciting part. Let me take these little kangaroos out. I think they're cute. I use them for my pocket hugs. Oops, this one's not fully done yet. Oh yeah, he's not too bad. A little. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh dear, 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 dear. Hopefully it's come out. Oh my lordy lord, look at that. Oh, that is awesome. Is that beautiful? Oh, what? I've never been this excited about something. Oh my goodness me. Look at that. I don't even know whether I should put gold or silver around the edge. I think it looks nice just the way it is. Oh, let me bring you down. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I did this. Oh. Oh, I'm speechless actually. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already for more of these gorgeous experiments. Thank you.